Today, I want to tell you something that small YouTubers don't like to hear. Most YouTube growth advice that we get are not designed for small YouTubers like us, like you and I. I'm also a small YouTuber. The advice they give are designed for big YouTubers like themselves. They only use the small YouTubers to create content. They use them to get views and grow their channel. So daily, we jump from one big YouTuber to the other looking for advice on how to grow our channel. But most of the advice they give actually destroy our channels. So there is no advice that is going to grow your channel unless you do some basic things. The algorithm is not a human being. It is an AI entity, and it is programmed to do some things. So if you don't meet those requirements, the algorithm doesn't know you. There's nothing that can change that. So if you're new here, my name is Echela Okori. I am an accounting and finance coach. I teach financial reporting, IFRS, and practical accounting concepts. So if you're ready, I want to break down the lies that growth channels tell us daily so that we can know the lies, look through the lies, and then discover what we have not been doing right. Good. Now, I have learned the hard way. I used to have very low views myself. In fact, I still have low views, but I can see that my views are fast changing and growing. I used to have poor lighting. I didn't take lighting important at all. I didn't know that it was important. I could just stay anywhere and shoot my video. I used to have bad audio. Sometimes I forget to put on my microphone. I use the microphone of the phone. Wrong titles. My titles were not searchable at all. I would just use any title, get the title I want. Now I've discovered that the way you craft your title is very important, and it helps your content to pop up in the search machine. I didn't know anything about SEO, search engine optimization. Now I want us to look at the lies from growth channels. The first one is they say just be consistent and you'll blow. That's not true. If you are consistently doing the wrong thing, you don't improve your lighting, your audio quality, your titles, your SEO. You don't know anything about SEO. No matter how consistent you are, you just keep posting the wrong things, and the algorithm will never discover you. Your videos will not be suggested to anybody. So consistency might sound motivational. Yes, be consistent. But consistent in doing what? If you are consistently doing the wrong thing, that is how you are going to continue. You'll never grow. So consistency without strategy is just consistent failure. That's the truth. You can upload 3 times in every week, but if your thumbnails are weak, if your titles are unclear, if your retention drops after 20 seconds, people don't want to click through, let me tell you, YouTube will not push your videos. So the algorithm doesn't reward effort. It rewards performance. As an accountant, I know this. You two who watch my channel, I know. So we can agree on this. Effort is not profit. Revenue minus cost equals profit. So on YouTube, impression multiplied by click-through rate multiplied by retention is equal to growth, if we put it that way. So if one variable is weak, the result suffers. So consistency matters, but strategy matters more. Let's look at lie number 2 that the growth guys give to us, the big YouTubers. Let's look at their second lie that they give to us. They say upload every day. This advice works for entertainers, people who react to videos, lifestyle vloggers. These are the people that it works for. You don't need to upload every day. But for educational creators like you and I, especially accounting and finance, daily low quality uploads can damage your channel. I've done it and I know. So bad lighting, poor audio, rushed explanations. What happened? Low retention, low watch time, low impressions. And YouTube slowed down distribution for me. I learned it, so I don't want it to happen to you. Quality beats quantity every time, especially in serious niches like accounting and finance. One strong, well-packaged video per week is much, much better than 7 rushed ones. So don't make that mistake. Let's look at their lie number 3. They say you don't need SEO anymore. SEO is search engine optimization, in case you don't know. This is dangerous for small channels. Don't believe them. Big creators can ignore SEO. Yes, they can do that, but not us, not you and I. They already have audience signals. But small channels, search is survival. If I teach IAS statistics, statement of cash flows, ICAN pass questions, IFRS basics, impairment of assets and all of that, people are searching for those topics. But if my title says, let's talk about something important as a title, no one will find it. But if my title says IAS statistics, impairment of assets explained, IFRS accounting, then my topic can show up in search. Okay? So small channels grow from search first. Then from search, they move to suggestions, and then people browse and get them. So it's your foundation. Don't play with SEO. Search engine optimization is key for small YouTubers. So if they tell you that SEO is not important, don't listen to them. Let's look at lie number 4. Lie number 4, they say just follow trends. Follow what is trending. Trending topics work in entertainment. People promote music, movies and stuff. Entertainment, it works for them. But in accounting and finance, accounting is evergreen. Nobody is trending. Qualitative characteristics of financial statements, for instance, it's not trending. Okay? But people will search for it every time, every year. So evergreen content build long-term growth. Trend chasing in education can confuse your audience. Don't do it. If you teach finance, teach accounting, stay in that niche. Authority grows from depth, not randomness. Don't do things randomly. Lie number 5, they say it is all about motivation. You have heard it. What did they say? They say don't quit, stay positive, manifest success. Motivation is good, yes. But YouTube growth is psychology and packaging. Ask yourself, will you click your own thumbnail? If you were not the one that uploaded the video, would you click on that thumbnail? Is it attractive enough? Is it eye-catchy? Is your title clear? Is your first 15 seconds strong? Do you have a strong hook? Does your video solve one clear problem? YouTube is not spiritual. It is behavioral. People click what attracts them. They watch what holds them, what holds their attention. That is structure, not motivation. So that's a lie. Lie number 6. They say the algorithm hates small channels. The answer is no. The algorithm doesn't hate you. It just doesn't know you. It doesn't know you. It tests your video on a small audience. So if they click and watch, it shows more people. If they don't, it slows it down. It is not personal. It is data. As an accountant, we understand systems. YouTube is a system. Improve the input, then the output will improve. Now, what actually works for small educational channels? Let's look at it. Here's what I've learned as an accountant and someone who has been using YouTube of late. As auditors, as accountants, we audit processes so that we can understand them. This is what I have done, and that is why I think I am qualified to advise you. Now, the first one is have clear, searchable titles. Your title should be clear and it should be searchable. If people go online, they are going to say, how is IAS or how is impairment of assets done? You should craft your content in a way that it answers that question. That is for illustration. So have clear, searchable titles. Next one, have strong thumbnails. Don't play with your thumbnails. Have very bright colored thumbnails that look authoritative, not weak thumbnails. Some people don't even do thumbnails. They just allow the algorithm to pop up any part of their video. That is very wrong. You need strong, beautiful, attractive thumbnails. Let's have good audio. Get a good microphone. This is underrated. If your audio is bad, nobody wants to listen to you for long because you disturb their ears, their eardrums. They don't want it. Next one is structured explanations. Let your explanation be structured. Let it be step by step. Don't try to say everything at once and then you confuse the listener. You understand what I mean? Then patience. Have patience. Once you do all of these things, I can assure you, you will grow. So, in serious niches like accounting, ICANN, ACCA, CPA, IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards, growth is slower but more stable. When you grow, you have grown. You are building authority, not virality. It's not that you just want to go viral. No, you're not in entertainment. You are building authority. You are teaching people. After some time, students will now see you as a person to go to learn all those things. Bookkeeping, basics of accounting, International Financial Reporting Standards. As the new standards are coming, they are coming to you because you have become an authority. So my final message on this, let me say this clearly. Growth experts are not evil. Don't hate them, no. But many of them speak to mass audiences. Your niche is different. If you are a small creator teaching something technical, like accounting, finance, law, medicine, you need strategy, not hype. Think like an accountant. Analyze, adjust, measure, improve, and build slowly, but build correctly. Because sustainable growth is better than viral noise. If this helped you, feel free to subscribe. Let's grow together. So my name is Echela Okori. I'm the accounting and finance coach. Don't forget to like this.